What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your favorite Auntie Titi and I just want to say a big old fat welcome to you. And as a reminder, Auntie Titi will start uploading videos every Mondays and Thursday where she reviews all the latest and greatest wigs and hair products. So show some love by hitting that follow button, that like button, and smashing that notification bell so you don't miss any time that I upload. In today's video, I will be reviewing a wig by Outre from their Melted Hairline, yet another one. Their wigs are amazing. What can I say? I love them. So every time I get my hands on them, I want to review them right away. So this is the wig that I'm reviewing. I have it in the style Jenni, and I have Jenni in the color DR2 Ginger Brown. So a few things about the Melted Hairline or Jenni. The Melted Hairline lets you show off those edges. Go ahead and slick your hair back, tuck in behind your ear, and swoop the natural looking baby hairs. Melted Hairline has ear-to-ear soft HG transparent lace, a pre-attached elastic band to ensure a secure lift-free fit, and is pre-plucked to create a natural finish that melts right into your hairline. So Jenni comes with soft HG transparent lace, is 5-inch deep parting, complete pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, natural baby hairs, redesigned ComfortFit air contour. Jenni is about, I'll say, maybe 16 inches on me. Jenni is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Jenni is big head friendly, I will say that. The application of Jenni was a little bit difficult for me, just a tiny bit, but I got through it, so yeah. Jenni comes with 3 combs, one on each side, one in the back, adjustable straps, and as they said, the wide elastic band for a secure fit that comes from here to the back. Let me go ahead and give you a 360 of Jenni. Close up of Jenni. And Jenni comes in a variety of colors, but Jenni also comes in special colors, which does cost more. And here are the variety, the special variety, or the special colors. So now that you saw how I applied Jenni, let's go ahead and talk about some pros, some cons, some in-betweens, and what I would rate Jenni, and maybe where I would wear Jenni to, based on how I style Jenni. So, pros about Jenni. I love the color. I love the swoopage. It's the middle part, and I love the swoopage that gives your face definition. It's not just, it doesn't just go floop. It has a little swoopage, so it really makes my forehead look good. So I like that. Jenni does have flyaways, but I use this product, Garnier Fructis Style Full Control Hairspray. It's a 24-hour hold. It's an ultra hold in the number 4, which I think helped with my flyaways, so I don't have that much. Jenni did shed after I cut off the air tabs. It did shed some. Since I brushed out these flyaways, I don't have any more flyaways. Where do I think Jenni's appropriate for? So let's compare how I receive Jenni and how I style Jenni. So side by side, let me put on this side so it's less of a glare. You can see I did more of a swoopage in the front, and I did some curls at the bottom. I think Jenni's a great work wig. I really think she's a great work wig. I'd say it's a bit too much for everyday because it's a lot of hair, especially at the bottom. So I don't know if that's just my preference, but I think it would be too hot to wear every day. But Jenni is a yucky texture, but if you apply too much heat, it will change Jenni to a silky texture. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed these types of videos, please also consider subscribing, and let's chat down in the description below if you like Jenni. Do you like the color I picked out? Do you like how I manipulated Jenni to get her to look like this? And I will see you in the next wig. Bye.